Therefore, with each version, Samsung has improved the Z Fold series, and although Samsung's foldables aren't flawless, they are still the finest foldables you can purchase since Samsung's software, particularly in foldables, is miles ahead of what the competition is giving. Moreover, Samsung's foldables are the only ones with a water-resistant certification and a hinge that can hold the phone at any angle. The Samsung Fold lacks one feature that we take for granted in regular candy bar phones: dust resistance. Yet that may no longer be the case. According to a fresh report, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 might be the world's first fold with a dust-resistant certification. Since Samsung began using little brushes to keep dust out of the hinge, dust hasn't been an issue with their foldables. There hasn't been a single case of equipment malfunctioning as a result of dust after they began using the brushes. Despite this, Samsung's foldables are not dust-proof. But with the Z Fold 5, a redesigned hinge with a gapless design that prevents dust from entering the phone might alter that. Therefore, if this is true, the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 will have an IP67 classification for water resistance, which is amazing given that the competition has yet to break the code. According to the source, Samsung may or may not finish this functionality. So we'll just have to wait and see. The ultimate weight of the Z Fold 5 might be 253 g, only 13 g more than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, according to him, who also claims that the phone will be between 9 and 12 grams lighter. The Z Fold 5 will also be 3 mm thinner around the hinge, which will make a significant impact, according to previous reports. Now that we know more about the Z Fold 5's camera, things don't seem good. A few weeks ago, a source said that Samsung is thinking of employing the same 108MP HM1 sensor used on the S22 Ultra on the Z Fold 5. That, it turns out, is not going to happen. The camera on the Z Fold 5 will reportedly stay mostly unchanged, according to Ice Universe. It will, in fact, be the same as the one found on the S23 Plus, which has a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide, a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP selfie camera with autofocus. Because of weight and space limits, Samsung did not use a larger camera sensor, such as the 108MP. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.